the factory manufacturing factory traceability platform. So this is the how I built the factory details platform. So this is the dashboard showing here user, operating warehouse, product manager, support admin, everything. And manager is here, department, unit, category, supplier. Also you can get it product here, customer, warehouse, everything what you need. So lots, also the work order, so you can put work order here. So how many order comes, so new work order, just put it. Expectation also here. Also the dispatch note, any new note you can put it. Bombs, also the report, and you also getting the setting, factory details you can put. Also you can get the audit log. So this is the completely factory details manufacturing platform. You can use it for what you needs. The solution you will get it from me. If you need changes, so any changes we can provide you.